I be vibes in this, be vibes in this, vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this.
Yeah, so today the 26th of March. Enough people might never know this, but yesterday was Queen Ifrica's Earth Day. You know what I mean? Big up to everybody who turn out, everybody who forward. You know what I mean? And share the moment with Queen Ifrica. Yeah? Yeah, man, big up the artists, them, man. We turn out, you know what I mean? All the artists, them, did it. King Shango, big up yourself. You know what I mean? Your father and show the fire blazing, you know what I mean? Yeah, artist to an artist, you know? Right there. And, you know, back in the days, you know what I mean? You know, King Shango used to produce music also, Queen Ifrica. I don't know, that's where the schooling this start from. The real way. Yeah, but me I tell you, say yesterday, the white outfit, the queen, yeah, the white outfit, the wear queen. Very wonderful, very beautiful, you know. Nice, you know. Big up to the closet. Yeah, big up to, you know, your makeup artists. Big up to the people who, you know, really came together and made that outfit, you know. Although you don't know how you made the outfit look how it look, you see what I say? Cause, yeah, the queen are the queen and the queen have it. Then that showing something there, I like the settings. As you can see, vegetarian food up on the highest level, you know what I mean? Vegetarian pastry, you know, healthy food, as you can see, and good vibes, you know, good people. Boy, may I tell you, people if for food and if for the liquor, it can't done. The party just nice, you know what I mean? Who drink till them drop, and who want eat food till them drop. And a be a niceness, be a vibration. Yeah, at a point to me, this is Vans, you know. Yeah, man, remember that youth there from, you know, Magnum Kings and Queen last year. I don't know, they in that season there. So, I see that youth they did that the place too. You know what I mean? Him forward show and him give him support and him energy. So, yeah, we love that vibration there. Yeah, me hear the reviews them of the people in the car. You don't know when that part they are the thing forward when you have to take the sonophone and make a talk. Yeah. And a whole heap of good things people have to say about Queen Ifrica. Because Queen Ifrica is like a mother, you know, name says like Queen Ifrica is a mother to all. You know, she's a mother to all. She show love to all and she ready to take care of everybody. You know, she ready to get the motivative thought them. I'm not talking about just thought, I talk about the real mother. You know what I mean? Energy. You know, being there, call her, talk to her, tell her the situation, she show you what go on. You know, Queen Ifrica is not an artist who stuck up and within herself. A Rastafari, so bare love, she show right out, right round to everybody, to every individual. You know, nobody not subjected. You see it? Nobody are not special. You know what I mean? Cream crackers, so everybody get dealt equally, you know, in the presence of the Queen. You know, so, I tell you, last night party nice, when I go around. Yeah, man, party nice, you know, the venue nice. I like how them set up the place, the lighting and the whole energy, you know. Yeah, I love how she open up her home and let in all of the ones that were forward first night come all joy. Yeah. Big up to Razarella too, you know, because you don't know, you know, the mortal, you know. You see it? Yeah, man, Razarella go and burn the big bad sound and I go and beat the tune them and I go and play the something them. You see me, I say beat a couple Junior Gang and a couple Bob Marley and bless the night and, you know, him just keep it root rock reggae. You see me, I say, yeah, man, just raw roots rock reggae. That's a beat in the place. So Razarella, one up right there, you see me, I say, DJ Naz, girl power, yeah, she forward through to and she burn it. Yeah, man, she burn it, she kick up her energy. The Grizzly beard up on the dance floor, a beer vibes, beer fun, beer things, him just a blaze it up. Dance Jamaica, Dance Academy was also in the place. You see me, I say, Latanya style, shout out, Stacey Fire, shout out. Gonna forward out and show the Queen power. You see me, I say, high energy, right there. Some just love all the things they look first time, but then me I go and sip a one dragon, sip a two dragon, I don't know how I grade a bun. Rasta party, you know. In that Rasta party, yeah, everything turn up blood. You don't know. The party does a rock and does a bounce and does a bun. Yeah, vibration does right. The entry too, I have to mention that. Cause, you know, she appear, you know, red carpet style, she walk from outside, come straight down. And it's not like a short walk, it's a good walk, people. You know, from outside to inside. So she make a nice little stroll come down and the people them greet her with loud applause, you know, cheers and, you know, applauses and beer, you know, things, you know what I mean, I go on and, you know, them I show them appreciate love towards the Queen, you know, Queen Ifrica, yeah, Happy Earth Day from the Grizzly Bear. I mean, I tell the world, so I'm never put it on Beer Vybz TV. Yeah? Because last night I did Beer Vybz, Beer Fun, Beer Things go on. You see it? Yeah, man. So, Tony Rebel, big up yourself. Yeah, man. In a year moment when you get the sound of phone and you start speaking, you can see it in your eyes. You know? You feel good and you feel proud for no say, yeah. When you did go in the garden, the flowers we did pick was a true queen. Because she bloom in the lightness there, you know? The colors in our world bright, you see me I say? And the fragrance from our art is very appealing. So, in the picture you can see it, people. You can see it in his eye. You know? Him convict him love to this woman and this woman do the same, you know? So, them build up an empire where the normal is a fort, you know? It's going to be a force to reckon with. So, yeah, man. Big up Tony Rebel, you know what I mean? Remember Rebel Salute. Yeah? High energy earlier this year. Yeah, man. I remember I'm going to tell you these people, as much as rain did fall and down they did muddy, the people them forward out for reggae. So Tony Rebel, big up yourself again. I don't know, him are the king in the thing. Him a govern the thing, you know what I mean? And I stand up as the man in the thing, with a queen beside him, you know? So, people, party did nice. Me not lie. Party did shot way. Yeah, so we party and, you know, we party till about 1 o'clock. Yeah, and the party started about roughly 8:30, you know, and the vibration just go through and just boil go right through. Yeah, so again, big up to everyone who did forward show, Queen Ifrica party. Yeah, you don't know it's the Grizzly Bear, repping for Beer Vybz TV, and that's all about Queen Ifrica's Earth Strong party settings. Loud. Who wasn't there? Yeah, check out Beer Vybz TV. And you can see what I go on. So, it's your boy Grizzly Bear, Bear Facts, Beer Vybz TV, and I'm out.
I be vibes in this, beer vibes in this, vibes in this, beer vibes in this, beer vibes in this, beer vibes in this. What I want like when I want to sing some night. Oh Lord, when I sing I get no food. Right here, Jamaica. French girls do, but when it comes to love, give the credit to you, girl. You know